Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string operations with different operators. So first of all, what are strings in Python programming? So string is nothing but collection of any characters. So the definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in double quotes, single quotes, or triple quotes. For example, hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes, or triple quotes can be used to represent multi-line string. So here Python provides indexes to each character available in it. For example, SS is hello. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. HELLO, which is left to right forward direction. And it also provides indexes from right to left. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, OLLEH. And here we use slice operator to access individual character of a string. For example, SS of 0, SS of 1, SS of 2, SS of 3, SS of 4. HELLO. Similarly, we can also use SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Now, coming to the string operations, which are done with the different operators. First one, plus. It is used for string concatenation. Example, hello plus word. It will become a single word or a single string, hello world. It will combine two or more strings into single string. Next, star, which is a string repetition operator. It will repeat the string given number of times. Example, psi into 3. It will become psi, psi, psi. Next, slice operator. It is used to access each individual character of a string using indexes. SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, slice operator with range. We can extract or we can get a particular characters, range of characters from a string. Example, SS of 0, 4. Starting index 0, ending index 4. So it will take the character 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 is not included, the last index. Next, in. In is used as a membership operator. It will check whether a particular substring is available in the original string or not. So H in hello, it is there or not. True, it is there. So it will return true or false. Similarly, not in, even this is a membership operator. Example, H not in hello. H is available in hello, so it will return false. So next, R or capital R, which is used to represent raw string as it is without any functionality of escape sequence characters. So we have to use it at the beginning of the string R followed by the string. Okay, so for example, if I'm using D: programs, it will be displayed or it will be taken as it is in a string. So it will skip the functionality of escape sequence character if it is available in the string. Okay, so next, %, which is used as a string formatter, and it is used to display the strings for different data types, same like C language. Print %d. So %d, it is used as a integer value representation. So we have to represent it with %total. So it will display total in place of %d in a string. So this is C style of printf to work with format specifiers. Next, let us do a small program with this string operations with string different operators. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking two strings, SS hello, ss2 world. So ss1 plus ss2, ss1 into 5. So let us execute till here. Put multi-line comment for the remaining case. String concatenation, string repetition. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and then run it. So py python string operations example1 dot py. Hello world as a single string, hello repeated 5 times, repetition operator. Next we will take slice operator. So print ss1 of 0, ss1 of 4, first character, last character. Next ss2 world 1 colon 4. So 1 means first index, 0. Okay, 0 is w, so it will start from 1. O, R, L, D is not included, which is the fourth index or last index. So H, O, O, R, L, range slicing. Next, in, not in. So H in SS1 true, W not in SS2 false, because W is there in world. So true and false. Next we will take string, raw string. So prefix R before the string. So D colon. So under D colon it is something like core Python. Under that programs. So it will take the string as it is by avoiding the functionality of escape sequence characters and special characters. A string as it is, which is a raw string. So D colon core Python programs. Okay. So next, using format specifier, A 10, B 20, total A plus B. So sum is %d. So %d is used to represent a integer in C++. So in place of %c, what should be displayed? %sign total. So total will be displayed in place of %d. Sum 30. Run it. So in place of %d, we got %sign total. So total will be displayed. So this is how we are supposed to work with string operations using different operators which are available in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.